Hello, this is Tanner Browning, and this is my individual lesson plan assignment. So for this individual lesson plan, I decided to do a scavenger hunt activity for 5th grade that covers standards 5.3, 5.5, 5.6, and 5.7 to help with students that have English language learning disabilities and ADD and ADHD. They will be supported by the map format that will be their scavenger hunt on their scavenger hunt and their peers within their groups to help complete the activity. So the equipment that will be used in this activity will be cones, rubber balls, and jump ropes, along with clipboards, pencils, and paper. To get the students excited, we will say something along the lines of, hey, today we are going to do a scavenger hunt. Usually that phrase, especially to 5th grade students, will get kids excited. What will also get them excited is the fact that they will get to work in groups. To leave class, students will be put into their groups in the classroom. They will then be marched to the field that will already be set up with the stations, and they will be walked out to the starting spot in the field. The location for this activity will be the school field. Usually it will be open for PE time during class. If for some reason it isn't, you can use other spots around campus for the stations. For the warm-up, students will jog about 100 meters or so, and then there will be a series of stretches that will get their muscles loose. The students will jog out to the starting point of the field, do their jog, and then they will stretch in a circle formation around me, the instructor, and will be stretched on my cadence. I will guide them through the stretches, demonstrating the different stretches. They will then be brought in, and the instructions will be gone over one more time before we start the activity. Here's how it'll be explained. You'll complete the scavenger hunt in your groups. You will use the clues on the sheet and the maps to find out which stations you must go to. Each group will have a different order of the stations that they must complete. Each member of the group has to complete the physical activity at one station. Use teamwork and be supportive of your peers. Complete each activity before moving on to the next station. So the demonstrations and the assessment that will be used will be the teacher will have to demonstrate what a proper push-up is. This is one of the stations that will be in the scavenger hunt. What a proper squat is. This is another one of the stations. How to properly do high knees, which will be a station. How to do jump rope, another station, and how to dribble a ball, which is the final station. There's 5 stations in this activity. The assessment that will be used, the formal assessment, will be the scavenger hunt worksheets that each group will turn in. They will have to mark each station that they go to in a specific order. That's how I will know that they completed it the right way, using teamwork and following the clues given. Also, they will have to mark which student completes each activity. This way I know that at least one student completed each one activity. The field layout. The stations will be set up at various points around the field with landmarks that can be used as clues on the scavenger sheets. They'll be far enough apart to encourage jogging in between stations. How will they know when it's over? So students will know that it's over when they have completed all 5 stations on the scavenger hunt. Each student within the group will have completed an activity at each station. They will then return to the teacher and turn in their paper and wait until each group is done completing the scavenger hunt. So the return to class. Once every group is done, students will be instructed to go pick up pieces of equipment all together and then come back in, and we will line up before we go back into the classroom. This will be done with instruction by the teacher, so we will wait until every group is done before we pick up the equipment, and they will go and pick up the equipment at the teacher's discretion, at the teacher's instruction. So the wrap up. The scavenger hunt is a great way to get the group collaboration. The standards that I'm using have to do with group and peer collaboration and problem solving, along with being supportive of your peers in physical activity. So this activity, the scavenger hunt, is a great way to incorporate this group collaboration, problem solving, and with some physical activity. So that is why I chose this for the fifth grade standards. And that is my individual lesson plan. Thank you.